Alright guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for the dyno stand we happen to have one of our Gen 3 Hemis. This one happens to be a 392 cubic inch based motor with the Whipple 3-liter supercharger on top. And man, she a beauty. Let me give you a little bit about the build specs of this. We started out with the late model 5.7 block. We put a beautiful forged crank in here with H-beam connecting rods and a set of forged pistons that are designed for boost. We did a Cam's custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft in here, followed up with the comp lifters. Cylinder heads we went with are the AFRs. They're beautiful, beautiful cylinder head. And then we finished it off with the Whipple 3-liter. Man, if you're looking for something to get your Chrysler car up and going, your hot rod, this is the motor. This thing makes some phenomenal power. She comes in a little over 700 foot-pounds of torque at 3,000 RPM and sings way up there to around 900 horsepower. If you're interested, give us a call, 800-267-3940. Let's take care of the dyno run.
We're ready to roll. Oh, I knew it. Yep. What a gorgeous thing.